Okay, so now let's say you've been practicing on your demo and now you're finally ready to go ahead and switch to your live account and start trading live. How do you do it? So the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your live trading account. You'll find the information to your live trading account in your email, which is the account number and the password. I strongly suggest that when you do that, that you copy and paste the password versus like trying to type it in. That's just my recommendation. Now, when you want to log in, you go to login trading account. Obviously, mine is already saved, so I don't have to go manually put it in. But let me see if I can pull up what it would look like. So, like, yeah. So basically, you have your live and your password and all of that, right? So let me go here. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that, y'all. All right. So now, so you put in your account number that they gave you in the email. In this case, it'll be this one for me. And then you'll put in the password they gave you here. Make sure you put CoinX Live because now you'll be doing a live account. And then you just hit OK. And of course, if you're using a different broker, you're just following the same directions. You're just using your broker. Once you hit OK, you would know if it really worked because you will see your balance to your live account. That deposit you made, you will see that balance right here. You saw how mine went from 500 to 800. That's because I got over $800 in my live account. So now that I'm logged into my live account, I still have my Gold Rush demo on there, right? So what I'm gonna do is drag this on here. So what I'm gonna do is, well, let me backtrack. So when you first downloaded, when you first went through the initial directions. And remember when you went here, you went to what was it? Not trying to confuse you. You went to open data folder, and then remember you went to MQL5, and then remember in the experts folder you uploaded your live and your demo, right? So you and then you refreshed it, right? So now you should see your live and demo here. And right now you got your live up there. So you're just gonna drag your demo, you're gonna drag your live on here. You're gonna click on inputs, and then you're gonna go ahead and set up, your inputs, and then you're gonna go ahead and allow algo trading, and then go ahead and hit OK. Now, once you hit OK, you're good to go, right? Now, here's the thing though. Make sure this up here, algo trading, is red. It's off. Because once you turn it on, depending on the settings, which we'll get into the different settings, it's going to start taking trades immediately. So if you're not ready to start taking trades just yet, do not turn this on. Once you turn this on, it could potentially start taking trades depending on what time of day. I don't want to risk turning it on because I don't want to take trades just of yet. So that's how you switch from demo to the live. See you in the next video.